Welcome to Insightrove, where we inspire mindful living and personal growth. Today, we are diving into a crucial topic, the benefits of disconnecting and how to effectively implement a digital detox in your life. In our hyper-connected world, it's essential to take breaks from technology to rejuvenate our minds and bodies. Let's explore why and how you can start your digital detox journey. In our modern age, we are constantly bombarded with notifications, emails, and social media updates. While technology has its advantages, it also has significant drawbacks. Excessive screen time can lead to stress, anxiety, sleep disturbances, and decreased productivity. By taking regular breaks from digital devices, you can reclaim your mental clarity, improve your physical health, and enhance your overall well-being. Imagine this. You are on a serene beach, the waves gently lapping at the shore. There is no phone ringing and no emails to check. Just you and the soothing sound of nature. This peaceful scenario highlights the essence of a digital detox. Disconnecting from technology allows us to reconnect with ourselves and our surroundings, fostering a deeper sense of presence and calm. Before diving into the detox process, it's important to recognize the signs of digital overload. Are you constantly checking your phone, even when there is nothing new? Do you feel anxious when you are away from your devices? Is your sleep disrupted by late-night scrolling? Identifying these patterns is the first step towards a healthier relationship with technology. Take Sarah, for example. She realized her digital habits were affecting her productivity and mental health. She often found herself mindlessly scrolling through social media, losing track of time. Once she acknowledged the issue, she decided to take action and embark on a digital detox journey. One of the most effective ways to start a digital detox is by setting clear boundaries. Designate a specific time of the day to check emails and social media. Avoid using your phone during meals and an hour before bed. Create tech-free zones in your home, like the bedroom or dining area, to encourage more meaningful interactions and relaxation. Sarah set clear boundaries for herself. She started by turning off non-essential notifications and allocating specific times for checking emails. She also established a no phone rule during family dinners, allowing her to be fully present with her loved ones. Spending time in nature is a powerful antidote to digital overload. Go for a walk in the park, hike a trail, or simply sit in your backyard and listen to the birds. Nature has a calming effect on our minds, reducing stress and increasing feelings of happiness and tranquility. Sarah made it a habit to spend her weekends hiking in nearby trails. The fresh air and natural beauty provided a refreshing break from her digital routine, leaving her feeling rejuvenated and more connected to the world around her. Rediscover the joy of offline activities that bring you happiness. Read a book, cook a new recipe, practice yoga, or engage in creative hobbies like painting or gardening. These activities not only provide a break from screens, but also stimulate your mind and body in positive ways. Sarah found solace in reading and painting. She dedicated an hour each evening to these offline activities, which helped her unwind and relax before bed. This new routine significantly improved her sleep quality and overall mood. Mindfulness and meditation are excellent practices to incorporate into your digital detox. They help center your thoughts, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of inner peace. Start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increases the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Sarah started her mornings with a short meditation practice. This simple practice allowed her to start the day with a clear and focused mind, setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. As you progress with your digital detox, take time to reflect on the benefits you are experiencing. Notice the improvements in your mental clarity, physical health, and overall well-being. Celebrate these positive changes and let them motivate you to maintain a balanced relationship with technology. Sarah noticed significant improvements in her life. She felt less stressed, more present, and enjoyed deeper connections with her family and friends. The digital detox had transformed her daily routine, making her more mindful and content. In conclusion, a digital detox is a powerful way to improve your quality of life. By taking intentional breaks from technology, you can reduce stress, enhance your mental and physical health, and foster more meaningful connections. Start small, set clear boundaries, and gradually incorporate these tips into your routine. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments about your digital detox experiences and any tips you have for disconnecting. Until next time, stay inspired and stay connected with yourself.